Hello students, welcome to Career Breeze Academy online classes. Today we are going to start from class 5th English grammar and the chapter is 6 and the name of our chapter is sound. Yes, sound. It looks like weird but our chapter is sound. It means the letter we speak and it's out from our mouth, it is called sound. जो भी हम लेटर का प्रोनाउंसिएशन करते हैं मीन्स आपने अल्फ़ाबेट पढ़ा होगा, ABCD पढ़ा होगा. लेटर्स हमारे पास लिमिटेड है लेकिन साउंड्स we have lots of sounds. For example, I am writing here B-U-T but and C-U-T cut and P-U-T cut, P-U-T put. We have same letters B-U-T but in the end, B-U-T but, C-U-T cut, P-U-T put. We have same letters but sounds are different in this. P-U-T put. It means this is called a sound. We will study this type of words in this chapter. 4 words are given in the question based on sound. We have some question based on sound and we have 4 options in this. Each word has 1 or 2 underlined letters. It means we have 4 words but few letters are underlined in this question. These underlined letters of 3 words have same sound while 1 word has different sound. Means all we have same sound. Means we have 4 words but 3 words we have same sound. Only 1 word is different from each. The words which has different sound is the correct answer. Yes, the correct answer is those words which have different sound from 3 others is our correct answer. Now we will solve our example. From this you will understand better. F-double-O-L fool, T-double-O-L tool, C-double-O-L cool, L-double-O-K look. Now listen again. Fool, tool, cool, look. सबसे different sign. Which letter have different sound? Means look. So this word have different sound. This is the correct answer. Second, F-E-A-R fear, T-E-A-R tear. We have underlined word. Only we will consider this. C-L-E-A-R clear, T-E-A-C-H teach. Which word have different sound? Fear, tear, clear, teach. The word I speak you already know the different sound means teach. Here you can observe the different sound. It means the correct answer is D. Now third, T-O-2, K-N-O-W no. We will not speak this. This is the silent. S-O so, D-N-O no. Now can you observe which word have different sound? To, no, so, no. Sab mein O sound is coming. Now which letter and which word have different? To. We speak to. It means the correct answer is 2. Yes, now we have some exercise. We will solve this on board. Exercise 1. Choose the words which has a different sound of the underlined letter. Now we have to choose answer from all these words. First, D-W-E-P deep, W-W-E-P weep, K-E-P-T kept, K-W-E-P keep. Now listen again. Deep, weep, kept, keep. Now you will can observe this is the correct answer, kept. 2. S-L-O-W slow, B-L-O-W blow, L-O-U-D loud, G-L-O-W glow. Slow, blow, loud, glow. This is the correct answer. Third, P-A-R-K park, B-A-R-K bark, ARROW arrow, DARK dark, park, bark, arrow, dark. Again answer C is correct. Fourth, FELT felt, MELT melt, BELT belt, FILTHY flitty. Felt, melt, belt, flitty. Yes, answer D. Fifth, SUPERIOR superior, MANNER manner, BANNER banner, PLANNER planner. Superior, manner, banner, planner. Yes, answer A is correct. Student, now next exercise I will provide you in PDF. You have to do in your notebook. That's all in this chapter. We will meet in our next chapter. Thank you.